Alright, so I'm here today to do an experiment to show why it is important when you are installing a slip fix to fully expand the slip fix. A lot of guys apparently don't seem to think it's all that important. So I set up a little experiment here at my house. Pretty basic, but it should get the point across. So currently my well, I don't know if you can see this, my well is sitting at about 62 psi. So that's what we'll be working with today. Turn that off. Got my lovely wife on crutches over here manning the spigot. So won't get wet. All right, setup consists of a 3/4 inch flow span. I'm sorry, flow control flow span. Set up as such. And to prove my point, I'm going to see how much weight I can hang on it against the force of it touching. So first and foremost, let's just expand that, I don't know, halfway. And if this doesn't break the pipe all by itself, as you can tell, they are real. This is a 45-pound weight. That's probably gonna leak. Oof. Probably gonna leak at first. Go ahead and kick her on. Ooh, no, that was not me. All right, so 45 pounds. 10 pounds. This is gonna break on me. 55 pounds. Do I dare go for? No, I'm not gonna dare go for it. It'll hold it. This is just a 3/4. You do with a 1 inch, it's gonna be even more. It wants to expand. And just to drive home the point, go ahead and turn that off. Okay, so to fully drive home the point as to why it's important to fully expand your slip fixes, I've got this set up kind of in a, well, if it's not going to self-destruct now, I don't think I'd want to leave it in the ground looking like it's going to look. Oh, and look at that, the slip fix is leaking now. Huh? So the slip fix is leaking. So, I don't know what else I can do.